Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about something that touches every person's life: friendship. Friends can make us laugh, support us during difficult times, and create unforgettable memories. But friendship is not always perfect. Sometimes, the people we trust the most can disappoint us or even hurt us. In this video, we'll explore why friendship is important, what makes a true friend, and the negative side of unhealthy friendships. Let's begin. What is friendship? Friendship is a relationship based on trust, respect, kindness, and understanding. Unlike family, we choose our friends. They become people we enjoy spending time with because we share common interests, values, or experiences. A true friendship is not about being together every day. It is about knowing that someone genuinely cares about you, even when life gets busy. Why is friendship important? Friendship plays an important role in our emotional and mental well-being. First, friends provide emotional support. When we feel sad, stressed, or lonely, talking to a trusted friend can make us feel much better. Sometimes, we don't need advice. We just need someone who listens. Second, friends help us grow. Good friends encourage us to become better people. They celebrate our successes and motivate us when we fail. Instead of judging us, they inspire us to keep moving forward. Third, friendship reduces loneliness. Life can sometimes feel overwhelming, but having someone to laugh with or simply spend time with makes difficult moments easier. Finally, friendships create wonderful memories. Whether it's traveling together, studying, celebrating birthdays, or simply sharing conversations, these moments become part of our lives forever. The qualities of a true friend. Not everyone we meet is a true friend. A real friend is honest. They tell the truth even when it is difficult. A true friend is loyal. They stay by your side during good and bad times. A good friend respects your opinions, your dreams, and your personal boundaries. They are trustworthy. You can share your feelings without worrying that your secrets will be shared with others. Most importantly, true friends are happy for your success instead of feeling jealous. The negative side of friendship. Although friendship is beautiful, it can also become unhealthy. Some friends are only around when they need something from you. They disappear when you need help. Jealousy is another problem. Instead of celebrating your achievements, some people compare themselves to you and become negative. Peer pressure can also be dangerous. A bad friend may encourage you to make poor decisions, skip your responsibilities, or do things that go against your values. Another issue is gossip. Some people pretend to be your friend while speaking badly about you behind your back. This can damage trust and cause emotional pain. There are also toxic friendships. In these relationships, one person constantly criticizes, controls, or manipulates the other. Instead of feeling happy, you feel exhausted and unhappy after spending time together. How to choose good friends? Choosing the right friends is one of the most important decisions in life. Spend time with people who respect you. Choose friends who encourage your dreams instead of laughing at them. Look for people who are kind, honest, and supportive. Pay attention to actions, not only words. Anyone can say, "I'm your friend," but true friendship is shown through consistent actions. Remember, it is better to have 2 genuine friends than 20 fake ones. How to be a good friend? Friendship is a two-way relationship. If you want loyal friends, you should also be loyal. Listen when your friends need someone to talk to. Keep their secrets. Celebrate their achievements. Apologize when you make mistakes. Forgive when forgiveness is possible. Small acts of kindness can make a friendship stronger over time. When should you end a friendship? Ending a friendship is never easy, but sometimes it is necessary. If someone constantly lies to you, disrespects you, manipulates you, or makes you feel worthless, it may be healthier to walk away. Protecting your mental health is not selfish. It is an act of self-respect. Sometimes losing a toxic friend creates space for healthier relationships. Final thoughts. Friendship is one of life's greatest gifts. A true friend can bring happiness, comfort, and strength during life's hardest moments. However, not every friendship is meant to last forever. Some people enter our lives to teach us lessons, while others stay with us for many years. Choose your friends wisely. Be the kind of friend you would like to have, and never be afraid to let go of relationships that no longer bring peace into your life. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who values true friendship.